Alright, so for example number 5, we want to justify that function f is less than function g using algebra. And what we're going to do is to make use of any algebraic skills to turn the left hand side of this equation, of this inequality, to something that is less than that. So when we're using algebra, what I probably would do is to make use of taking out the GCF, factor it, and compare these expressions with something else. Starting with this, if I'm to take out the GCF, we will take out the one that has the lowest exponent. So with e to the negative x having the lowest exponent between the two, I can factor this function f into expressions here. Now, in order to compare something that is bigger than this or bigger than that, I want to come up with an expression that will have a smaller denominator, such as this. If I'm to remove the +1 in the denominator, that means we are now having a smaller denominator, and with a smaller denominator, the entire expressions will eventually be bigger. So that means I'm now having 1 over e to the x here, which proves that function f here is less than function g. Using this concept, I can now find the integration of function f from 3 to infinity. From 3 to infinity, this function f would definitely be less than the area under this. So if I can evaluate the right hand side here, I probably will come up with e to the negative 3. So as I continue integrating this with e to the negative x, seeing how we have an e to the negative x, I can integrate this to something like this. From 3 to infinity, or since this is an improper integral, I need limit. So we will end up with negative 1 over e to the b plus 1 over e to the 3. And as b tends to infinity, these expressions here will give us a 0. Therefore, we have 1 over e to the cube, or that means e to the negative 3 here. So that's example number 5. Make sure you work on the worksheet. I have something similar in the worksheet, and we will have a review class on Thursday and then a test on the 26th.